To sign up for GoHenry Chores, start by opening the GoHenry app on your device and navigating to the Tasks section. If you are a parent, you will need to set up a task for your child to complete. And if you are a child, you will need to look for available tasks assigned by your parent. First, parents will need to create a new task by clicking on the Add Task button. Then enter the name of the chore, the frequency of the task, and the amount of money your child will earn for completing it. You can also add a description of the task to help your child understand what needs to be done. Once you have created the task, your child will be able to see it in their task list and can mark it as completed once they have finished the chore. As a parent, you will receive a notification when your child marks a task as completed, and you can then review and approve the task to release the earned money into your child's account. It is essential to set clear expectations and communicate with your child about the tasks and the importance of completing them. You can also use the GoHenry app to track your child's progress and identify areas where they may need additional support or motivation. By following these steps, you can effectively sign up for GoHenry Chores and start teaching your child the value of money and the importance of responsibility. Remember to regularly review and update the tasks to ensure they remain relevant and achievable for your child, and to provide feedback and encouragement to help them stay on track.